Hi, my name is Amanda East and I'm the Work Integrated Learning Coordinator for Security and Computing here at Edith Cowan University. The Work Integrated Learning program aims to engage students with industry prior to graduation, and the purpose of the WIL program is to give students real-world work experience and to develop both their professional and technical skills before they graduate from their degree. One of the key things about the program is not just their technical skill development, but their professional skills. So things like time management, teamwork, interview skills, interpersonal skills, all those sorts of things that may not be focused on as part of your degree but are key to getting employed are developed throughout this program. I think Work Integrated Learning is a great opportunity and a great option for students in their final year to take up. Students really enjoy it, hosts really enjoying the program, and it's a great way for both students and hosts to engage with our university and get the best out of their degree.